Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring USDT from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. This process is straightforward, but we'll go through it step by step to make sure you don't run into any hiccups. Why do this? Well, Trust Wallet gives you more control over your crypto, and it's perfect for staking or decentralized apps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both accounts set up. Open your Trust Wallet app on your phone and navigate to the USDT section. It's usually under the BEP20 or ERC20 networks, depending on what you're using. Double check that it's compatible with Coinbase, which typically uses the Ethereum network for USDT. Once you're there, tap on the Receive button to generate and copy your wallet address. This is crucial, so don't skip it. Now, hop over to your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Log in securely and head to the dashboard. Find your USDT balance, and click on it to access the withdrawal or send option. You'll see a field to enter the recipient's address. Paste the Trust Wallet address you just copied. Be extra careful here. One wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Next, select the network for the transfer. For USDT, stick with Ethereum, ERC20, to match what Coinbase uses. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. They can vary, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication. After you submit, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep your Trust Wallet open and refresh it occasionally. Once it shows up, congratulations, you've successfully moved your USDT. Finally, always double-check your balances and consider using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track the transaction. That wraps up our guide. Transferring crypto is all about being cautious and informed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.